By looking at the title and thumbnail, you must have understood what we are going to discuss in today's video. Yes, in this video we are going to discuss the amazing health benefits of papaya. You will be surprised to know that this natural fruit is so rich in nutrients that it is called the angel of fruits. From boosting your immune system to enhancing digestion and even promoting radiant skin, papaya is truly a superfood. But wait, it's not all sunshine. There are some risks you need to know before making it a part of your daily routine. Ready to discover how this vibrant fruit can transform your well-being? Let's dive in and explore the incredible benefits and hidden risks of papaya. Please watch the video till the end to keep you and your family healthy. Before we jump into the video, a quick reminder. This video is just for education purposes only and is no substitute for medical advice or care. Please note, every piece of information here has been authenticated by a cadre of professional researchers. Let's start our countdown with 1. Boosts immunity. Did you know that papaya is one of the most powerful immunity-boosting fruits on the planet? A medium-sized papaya delivers over 150% of your daily vitamin C needs, a key nutrient for strengthening immune defenses. Research published in Nutrients Journal reveals that vitamin C enhances white blood cell production and neutralizes free radicals, shielding your body from infections. Papaya also contains folate and vitamin A, which work together to support immune cell production. With these scientifically proven benefits, adding papaya to your diet can help keep your immune system strong and healthy all year long. Next, number 2. Improves digestion. If you've been struggling with digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or indigestion, you're not alone. Papaya might be your new best friend. This tropical fruit is rich in papain, a powerful enzyme that helps break down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Studies published in the Journal of Medicinal Food confirm papain's ability to reduce bloating, indigestion, and constipation. Plus, papaya is packed with dietary fiber, promoting a healthy gut and regular bowel movements. Whether you eat it fresh, as a smoothie, or in salads, papaya is a natural remedy to keep your digestive system running smoothly. It's nature's perfect fix for better gut health. Next, number 3. Supports heart health. Papaya isn't just delicious, it's a heart-healthy superfruit. Packed with fiber, potassium, and powerful antioxidants like lycopene, papaya helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve good cholesterol, HDL. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that potassium-rich foods like papaya can reduce blood pressure and decrease the risk of heart disease. Additionally, its antioxidants combat inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major contributors to heart problems. By incorporating papaya into your diet, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat. You're giving your heart the nutrients it needs to stay strong and healthy for years to come. Next, number 4. Promotes eye health. It is a natural process that your eyesight deteriorates as you age. But did you know that papaya is a natural ally for your eyes? This vibrant fruit is rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, and zeaxanthin, nutrients essential for maintaining clear vision and protecting against age-related eye conditions. According to research in Ophthalmology Times, beta-carotene helps reduce the risk of macular degeneration, while zeaxanthin acts as a natural filter against harmful blue light. Vitamin A also supports the health of the cornea, ensuring your eyes stay sharp and healthy. By adding papaya to your diet, you're nourishing your eyes and protecting your vision for the future. Number 5 on our list is the support weight loss. Are you overweight? Looking for a natural way to support your weight loss journey? Papaya is a scientifically proven ally. Packed with 3 grams of fiber per cup and only 59 calories, this fruit helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. According to research published in Nutrients Journal, fiber-rich diets are directly linked to improved weight management by curbing hunger and supporting healthy digestion. Papaya's fiber also stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and cravings. Additionally, its low glycemic index makes it a safe and effective choice for maintaining a balanced diet. Add papaya to your meals, and let science and nature work together to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Next, number 6. Reduces inflammation. Did you know papaya can help your body heal from the inside out? This tropical superfruit is a powerhouse of antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lycopene, all proven to fight chronic inflammation. What makes papaya truly special are its unique enzymes, papain and chymopapain, which target inflammation at its root, soothing conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and gut inflammation. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food reveals how these natural compounds work to reduce oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of inflammation. By adding papaya to your diet, you're giving your body a natural defense against pain and discomfort. Delicious, healing, and science-backed, papaya is the ultimate inflammation fighter. Next, number 7. Support kidney health. Kidney disease is a serious condition that can affect your heart bones, immune system, and even your brain. It can also lead to kidney failure, which requires dialysis or a transplant to survive. But did you know that papaya is one of the best fruits for supporting kidney health? This tropical gem is rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the strain on your kidneys. Even better, it's packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which studies in the International Journal of Nephrology show can combat oxidative stress, a major cause of kidney damage. With its low sodium content and natural hydration properties, papaya is the perfect addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Believe me, if you want to keep your kidneys healthy, you should definitely add papaya to your diet. Next, number 8. Protects against chronic diseases. And here's the most important reason to love papaya. It protects your body against chronic diseases. Packed with powerful antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lycopene, papaya fights off harmful free radicals that lead to heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. Research published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition shows that antioxidant-rich foods like papaya reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting long-term health. As we conclude this video, remember that adding papaya to your diet isn't just a delicious choice. It's a step toward a healthier, stronger you. But, as amazing as papaya is, there are a few risks you should keep in mind. 1. Allergic reactions. Some people might be allergic to papain or latex, which is naturally found in papaya. Symptoms can range from mild, itching to more severe reactions. 2. Pregnancy concerns. Raw or unripe papaya contains latex, which might trigger uterine contractions. It's best to avoid unripe papaya if you're pregnant. 3. Excess fiber. Too much papaya can lead to an upset stomach or diarrhea due to its high fiber content. Moderation is key. 4. Drug interactions. Papaya may interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners. Always check with your doctor if you're on medication. There you have it, the health benefits and risks of papaya, all in one bite-sized video. Did you learn something new today? Let me know in the comments if you're a fan of papaya or if you've tried any unique papaya recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Healthcare One for more health tips and nutrition facts. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.